Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital IT Lab. Today's tutorial is very important for all system administrators. In this video, we will learn how to enforce password policies using group policy, including password complexity, length, and expiry rules in a Windows Server domain environment. These settings are critical to keep your organization's network secure and protect users' accounts from unauthorized access. So let's get started. Before we start, let's understand why enforcing password policies is important. Without proper password rules, users might set weak passwords like 123456 or password. Hackers can easily guess such passwords and gain access to your system. By enforcing complexity, minimum length and expiry, we ensure that every user in the domain creates a strong and secure password, reducing the risk of security breaches. First, log into your domain controller, open Server Manager, go to Tools, select Group Policy Management. This tool allows us to create and manage GPOs across the domain. In the left panel, expand your forest, then expand your domain and select your domain name. Here you will see a GPO named Default Domain Policy. This policy is automatically applied to all users' accounts and computers in the domain. It's the best place to define password policies because password and account lockout setting can only be applied at the domain level, not OU level. Now right click on the default domain policy, select edit. The group policy management editor will open. In the editor, go to computer configuration, open policies, open Windows settings, open security settings, open account policies, open password policies. Now double click on password must meet complexity requirement and set it to enabled and click OK. This ensures that every password must contain at least one uppercase letter, at least one lowercase letter, at least one number, at least one special character, and cannot contain the username. Next, double click on minimum password length. Set it to 8 or more characters. Recommended is 12 for stronger protection. Click on apply. Click OK. Now open maximum password age. Set the value to 90 days or as per your organization policies. This means user must change their password every 90 days. You can also set minimum password age to 1 day so users can't change passwords repeatedly in 1 day to reuse old ones. Click on apply, click OK. Now open enforce password history, double click on it. Set this to 5 or 10 passwords so users cannot reuse recently used passwords. Click on apply, click OK. Now go back one level and open account lockout policy. Double click on it. Double click on allow administrator account lockout. Check this box and set it to enabled. Click on apply, click OK. Now double click on account lockout threshold and set it to according to your requirement. Click on apply, click OK, click OK. Now double click on lockout duration and set it to according to your need. Click OK. Now double click on reset account lockout counter after and set it to according to your requirement. Click OK. These settings help block brute force attacks on user's account. Once done, close the editor. Open command prompt as administrator. Run this command. This command applies all updated GPO settings across your domain. To verify the policy, open Group Policy Management. Select Default Domain Policy and go to Settings tab. Here you can check Domain Policy Report. Or go to any domain computer. Open command prompt as administrator. Run this command. It will show all active password policies including complexity, minimum length and expiry duration. So in summary, password complexity improves account security, minimum length ensures strong password, expiry forces regular updates, password history prevents reuse, lockout policy stops brute force attacks. Together, these make your Active Directory environment more secure and compliant. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are learning Windows Server Administration, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Digital IT Lab for more practical step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching. This is the Bear. See you in the next video.